Welcome friends, welcome to my channel YouTube, and in this video we will check that how to install and how to use DeepSeek in your Windows operating system. So we will open, first of all we will open any browser. You can use any. I'm using Google Chrome, and here we will open the website olama.com. Once this opens, so you can see get up and running with large language models. So you can run a lot of models here, and so we will download this one. This is also available for Mac operating system, Linux and Windows. So download and make sure the Windows is selected. Now download for Windows, and this platform requires Windows 10 or later. So we are using Windows 11, so it's okay. So download for Windows. Click and you can see the downloading has been started, and you can see here like it's 745 MB. So it's downloading. I will pause the video here once it completes, so then we will resume the video. So you can see this is downloaded, so we will open this one. We can see and run. Now you can see, let's get you up and running with your own large language model. So click install to continue with the installation. So we will click on install, and this will take few minutes. So once it finish, I will resume the video. So you can see it's almost going to complete the process of installation. So the installation process is very easy, as I explained you, as I showed you, that like open the olama.com, download for Windows, and then open. Now you can see Olama is running. Click here to get started. So this will open in Windows PowerShell if you have, and if you don't have, you can open also like in CMD also, like command prompt also you can open. So you can see now it's like in the C Windows my system 32 and run your first model like Olama run this. Now actually as I explained, like we want to install DeepSeek. So what we will do here in the olama.com, we will search the model like DeepSeek, and you can see DeepSeek's first generation of reasoning models with comparable performance and other. See DeepSeek R1 to OpenAI O1, including 6 dense models and everything you can see here. So now we will select from here first 7B. Make sure you will select from here 7B, because now the command is olama run DeepSeek -R1 semicolon 7B. So we will copy this one, and in our Windows PowerShell we will control V and enter. Now you can see pulling manifest, and it will take a lot of time. Some time it will take, and it will install this DeepSeek. So now you can see it's 0%, so 1%. Now slowly it will go up, it will increase till then. I will pause the video, and as soon as this will finish, I will resume video from here. So till here we have learned how to download, how to install using Windows PowerShell command, and now it is installing. So I will be back once it complete. So you can see now it's 96%. So it's almost going to complete 100%. So this will be the installation process, and after 100% it will verify and the installation process will complete. So once it completely installed, then we can use it online or even offline, because it has been installed locally. So locally mean like you use like any software, for example exam or WAMP. If you have listened about them, you can use them locally. So those software that allows you to build web applications like websites without the access of internet. So same thing for this. Once it will be installed locally, so you can you can use it online and even offline. It's almost now 3%, now 2% remaining. Now it's only 1% remaining. It's almost going to complete. It's 100% now. And now it will take a few minutes or few seconds more before you can use this incredible AI model. So you can see polling now, and now it's verifying SHA256 digest. So once it will verify, it will allow you to start entering prompt as per your requirements and as per your need, as per your personal work or commercial business work. So now success, you can see writing manifest, and now success. So it has been successfully installed. Now we will see, like, I will send a message as a prompt, for example, explain about web development using WordPress. For example, this is the prompt I'm giving. So you can see, think, okay, so see now, incredible, amazing. So see, it is telling about everything from scratch to the advanced level about the web development using WordPress. And this is different from ChatGPT. So you can see it's thinking real time, and it's showing you the result real time. So it's amazing. So you can see now, you can read here about everything, like it's about more about dynamic with themes and plugins, and see, understand the basics of WordPress. So that means, see, everything it's telling you, everything it's giving you. Even, for example, if you write here, for example, create a calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so it will create within minutes, and trending and latest based on programming languages. It will create, whatever the prompt you will give to, this platform. So this is amazing, and we have learned a lot in this video: how to install, how to download, how to install, and how to use DeepSeek R1. And you can see the process is going on, and it will tell me everything, and then any prompt I want, I can give to this platform. So follow these instructions. These are very easy instructions. I explained very clearly so you can follow and implement them in your device to install locally DeepSeek in your computer in the Windows operating system. So please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Also like the video, share the video with your friends, press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.